Here's our room for two. Let's see the view if it will disappoint us. Not at all. Nagpipicture lang sila ni Dad.
Yes.
This is the view, guys. I thought it's white. Pakita niya yung picture niya. Here's our food.
Chopstick. Ano ba chopstick? Ano sa atin?
What brand? Guys, ito yung dessert. Tapos, walang gustong kumuha. Sige, titikman ko ah. Titikman ko ah, for everyone. Parang siyang tissue sa wall. But yeah, it's safe.
Mixer. How do you pronounce that famous Chinese store? Mixer? Mixer.
Guys, we're here kung saan sinusubok na kami ng aming katawan. So, si Anika may cold and may fever and pain. Guys, we're staying here for almost 3 days. And I'm importing some photo. Hey guys, it's day. I don't even know what day it is. But I'm tired. This is my fit. Let's go. My bag for today. Just small. Here's our breakfast. Here's our breakfast view. And then my mom and dad. Guys, sobrang daming pastry. Look. And dessert. Pastry and dessert. Hi, Dad. Dad, say hi. Never-ending pasta. Look at this spoon. Super cute. Amen. Ay, shishka. Oh, here's our van. Look. It's so cute. Like a princess style. But it's Princess Fiona. Okay. Can we drop our bags here?
Yes, of course.
So this is our van for the rest of the day. Okay. Tomorrow also? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
This is 100
This is
something.
so pretty. Look at the watches. This one and this one. Not that expensive, but it's for pasalubong. Girl, another one. Bumili siya ng perfume. And then Josh was planning to buy one. Pero sobrang tagal niyang mamili. Grabe. Gold.
What? I have the many.
Yeah.
Black and this one.
Wait, just my eyes.
I have this one.
Yeah, I like this one. But may I see this one? Yeah. Okay. Bumili siya kasi may ako.
No, that is Winston. For Jen also.
May I
For
see?
Jen also you take.
Guys,
you want the Jen
it's
one?
Ayan kasi rainbow. Ito yung pinili mo. Ito yung maganda kasi may rainbow.
Okay, see this one.
Oh!
Send the roulette friend.
I like this one so much. Grabe naman ang purse na yan. If you have, I have this pero Kate Spade. Pero, ay, it's so pretty. I'll buy this one. I'll buy this one. Like, you know, it's an investment actually.
I'm done buying already.
What do you like it the most? May ito. Ibigay ko na lahat ng outfit.
This looks good on me.
No, I like this one. This one gives chemistry, like it belongs to you.
Keeps you glow more.
Okay, I love this color.
Okay.
Do you accept card? If my card decline, then I will not buy. Let's just see if my card will approve.
You want the person? You want the person? This one?
I'll just check if my card is approved. What if it declined and then you already cut it? I don't have option.
cut your hands.
I'm gonna go to Philippines, cut the hands. Okay? Look at this, guys. Okay, let's just stop. I don't know my passcode. Oh, you can cut it now. Approve my card, approve my signature. Okay, thank you so much. Girl, tawang-tawa ako. Drinap kami dito ng driver namin. Until 11 lang dapat. Girl, 11:27 na, nagsha-shopping pa rin kami. Ang dami pa naming pupuntahan. Girl, hindi talaga siya nagpapatigil. Hi, ma'am. Smile! May gift siya. Wow. Para daw po sa kanyang mga kapatid. To my titas. Please love her so gently. Please, thanks. Buti they accept Philippine peso. Philippine peso? Di ba yung peso na yun? Girl, hindi ka nagtitink. Nakapasok ulit sila. Pinalabas ko na sila. Oh, guys. Come on, titingin pa siya. Tingnan mo yung oras. 160 lang din. 35. Girl, we love our driver. Like, sobrang bait niya and sobrang accommodating. Thank you, Lord, for this privilege and favor. Because merong mga driver talaga na they're just gonna drop you and then you're gonna pick up you without talking and anything. But this one, girl, I gain a lot of information. Yeah, like information. Look at the bed. We're here.
Nakain niya yung plastic. Sabi niya, ba't hindi niya makagat?
Alam mo, hindi na sila.
Ay, namahin ng mga.
Buti friends sila. We're here at Batu Caves. Girl, I want monkey. Gusto ko ng monkey sa bahay. Tingnan mo, nag-open sila ng... Ala, ang galing nila. Ino-open nila yung basurahan. Okay, magpapakain siya ng monkey. Okay, go. Ayaw mo naman. One only. Ah. Ay, shit, ang dami. Daddy, wag mo naman ubusin lahat. Dad, pengi ako isa. Tiran mo ako isa. Ang daming monkey po, chika. Ay, shisha! Mami ka! Nasaan na sila? Yes. Papa Money exchange. It's so hot. Di na ako nakapag-curl ng totoo kong hair, kaya medyo di siya maganda. Pero it's glamized. Like, what do you mean? Medyo i-blend ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam if nabe-blend kasi I'm wearing my shades.
Because I'm weak.
Even in Singapore, we don't use MRT. We always do Grab. We don't walk a lot.
Why?
Very weak.
Because in the Philippines, they don't walk. They always sit in their office chair. That's why. Grab again, grab here, grab there, grab everywhere. But now in Malaysia, we have you, Sir David. Thank you so much for waiting.
In Malaysia, how much per liter in diesel? 2.4. Okay.
Mura.
And in Manila also very traffic. So,
Yeah, worse. Not as fast, people population.
yeah, very traffic.
They were talking about how Manila is so traffic.
Almost 150 million.
Promise, sobrang traffic. Dito wala akong na traffic. We're going to another shop. Hi! Thank you! It's hand woven. Okay. She's painting. No, we're not gonna buy, Mom. Tama na.
After this, we color nature dye. You fill in the colors. So the purpose of the wax is to stop or separate the color, like a boundary line. Now
It's
she's drawing
amazing.
for scarf. You cut into small pieces of scarf. So for the printing, we don't wash away the wax because you don't have to. So just for the decoration.
Oh, alright.
Like a dress.
Techniques.
Also turn it twice.
If you have scarf, do this.
Twist
Do it like.
around your neck or skirt.
Yeah, I'm just gonna tie.
Behind, tie a knot.
Yeah.
Yeah, or just simple, use it as a shawl. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.
Ito mo, ito, pwede na to. Pero baka na ako sa lagat. Pabayaan mo sila mag-invento dyan. Kasi ba dito yung braso niya?
The design is handmade, kaya it's a bit
mas
expensive.
maganda din.
And then this one is for
Men, ay kay ano kay...
pasalubong.
Kay Tita Ja, kay
No, mas
Tita
maganda
Elena.
Sabi ko sa inyo, ang dami niyang pasasalubungan. Girl, as a person na hindi mahilig mag-shopping, I'm sitting in this chair. Sila yung taga-bili, ako yung taga-bayad, guys. Girl! I'll just get my card sa van. Oh. Kakabili lang si Luod na para daw change outfit.
Ano mo na yung order ko?
Where's your dress ba? Yung dress niya nandun. Ay, we're here. Oh my gosh! It's so scary. Hala, hindi open yung baba. Gusto ko pa naman yung open yung baba. Is may naghahanap na ng inhaler.
Ay, maganda pala ako, hindi ko nakikita.
Oh, it's amazing. So
tayo dito?
Sabay.
Baba na pala tayo dito. Point lang. Yeah, we have to get out.
We're here.
Siguro tayo pumunta sa bumalik na lang tayo dito. Wala sa baba.
We're gonna buy the photo. Ayun, naka-red ako. Wag yan, pangit. Next. Yan na lang.
Wala po.
Ayan.
Yan na lang, okay na yun. Number 2 na lang.
100.
With ice cream medium one,
Yes, one.
chicken burger one,
Was. Then the
chocolate burger one, vanilla one, strawberry one. Huh?
Alam nyo, gutom na kayo, hindi nyo pa muna na picturean like, dang. Ay. No! Sabi ko mag-vlog ka, hindi ka magreklamo. So guys, ito yung picture namin. Buti yung dalawa dito marunong ano guys. Kasi tumiba sila sa camera. Ayun.
ayos mo na nga eh.
Ito. Oh, and we have ones. Pero ito, huwag niyo siya pansinin. Yan. Kasi matatanggal pa siya. Ayan. Guys, ang hirap. Ang hirap nila. Mano kasi, yung English nila kasi, parang high pitch na something na sunod-sunod. So, parang, what? So, medium rare again. So, parang, kasi pala medium rare daw ba yung steak yung dalawa. So, parang nga sa picture, Diyos ko. Guys, super laki ng serving here. Like, grabe naman ang mga food. And the drinks, very aesthetic. Like, alam mo yung masarap na well-created, no germs and everything. There's our view. Oh my goodness, we're really here. Genting. Genting or Genting? I don't know, but we're here. Here's our order. Here's our order. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Mas masarap pa sa steak ni Chef Ray. Thank you. Someone asked if may birthday ba? Sabi namin birthday. Birthday ko. Thank you. Happy birthday, vlog! Happy birthday! Thank you so much! Medyo shy guys. Thank you! Guys, I'm 18! Yes! Guys, shopping again! I'll buy black top. I want it here.
Isipin nyo. Bigyan kami sa mga nervous na.
Thank you!
Huwag kayo masyadong magdala. Huwag kayo masyadong
Thank you!
Nak, hindi ako
Mag-worship na lang tayo.
Video ka lang
Mag-worship na lang tayo. Dito tayo na yan.
I'm grateful na!
Lab,
Ano ba?
ka rin nakikisabay eh. Hindi, masaya ba kayo?
May smile naman! May I see this? May I see this again?
Okay, 73.
Don't regret this! Regret! 70 regret. We're here at Tutti Frutti. Joyce, ikaw, Josh, tiramisu.
Here's my sister arranging them. Looking good, looking yummy, and he's
Wait a minute. Just flowers. Grabe naman ang mga ito. Grabe naman yan. We're on our way to KLCC Park. It's 13-minute walk. Yeah, we're really trying hard to go there. Guys, kahapon kasi yung Twin Tower, color blue and color red. So sabi ko, what's that? Sabi ko, parang ang weird mag-picture. Pero ngayon, Jesus just answered my prayer. Color white na siya. And you will see it on my vlog. Okay? Okay, thank you. Guys, we're taking picture. Okay, go, go, go. Ika, tara na dito. Takpan yung ilaw para naman makapag-flash kasi auto-flash to. Tingnan nyo naman ha. Hawakan mo, Josh. Papakita ko sa kanila yung yung mga perfect shot like a perfect girl. Dito ka, pakita mo tong camera. Guys, daig pa yung mga tao dito. Oh, can you see this? Guys, here's our view while we're taking a picture. Praying to God na maganda yung picture namin. And may we arrive on our hotel safe and sound. My mom is tired. Here's our Grab. Pwede ba dito? Guys, we're already going home. Sa hotel. And nag-i-import na kami ng photos.
Hindi man di sinelect natin.
Sure, nag-order kami ng McDo. Ako taga-English, mga kakausap. Yung bracket ko sumasayad na sa pisngi ko. Naising ako.
Siya ay treasurer in cash, but I'm in credit card.
Yung dalawa, binabit.
Napakita niyo yung picture nila ni Mami Wickets na.
Good ba?
Ikaw yung nakita ko sa lahat ng loads. Ito nga galing mo. Hi guys, nauna na sila mag-breakfast. There's no tao because tama talaga na bumili ako ng ano kaya nakain eh? Sobrang saya niya.
Puro may picture. Pati ako nagalit sa akin. Kasi hindi siya nakaka-picture. Tuwa siya.
Guys, we're leaving. Leaving or leaving? It's leaving. But we're gonna leave by 11. So we're gonna go to our mom's room, to our parents' room to pray, and then Larga. Okay, see you in Singapore in a bit. But, magpapahinga na lang kami nun. Hindi na kami sobrang, alam niyo yun, aalis. Pero may pupuntahan pa kami isang shop for souvenir. That's why. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Sa pag-iingat mo sa amin, sa driver namin, Panginoon, sa sasakyan namin, Panginoon, sa pagpunta dito. Panginoon, ang dalangin namin, Ama, sa...
Go. Bye, Malaysia! There's a lot of chocolate here for pasalubong. So, look what got tiramisu.
Dalawa,
Is this
okay?
cappuccino?
Cappuccino. Ito cappuccino. Ikaw maswap Tagalog, okay? English, hindi muna.
Okay, Tagalog
Opo,
lang.
Tagalog.
Okay.
Tagalog, sige.
Tagalog, sige.
Okay. Ito coffee, tiramisu. Tiramisu, light coffee.
I like this. I like this. I'm gonna rate this 5 out of 9. Ikaw. Ano? Hindi ko pala alam. Basta i-rate niyo yung cappuccino.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu, tiramisu.
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 Okay, tiramisu, tiramisu.
Tagay lang. Tagay.
Tagay.
Tagay, mase, tagay. Hindi bumili, hindi alis.
Look, Budol, coffee. We have tea, tiramisu, cappuccino, and then the white coffee something. Yeah.
Sampu ringgit. Sampu ringgit. Saket holo sampu ringgit.
Guys, for body pain.
Parang nabibili pa tayo sa souvenir mo.
Here Luna, Catherine, Chaser,
Guys, never ending shopping. Grabe no. Still not done. Go. Bye, Malaysia!